let's look at our Thursday daily language review helpful hints. All right, so incorrect pronoun shift. Pronoun shifts are talking about, our subject and then the pronoun. Obviously, that is talking or relating to that. So that could be by numbers or that could be by people. Okay, so in our sentence, every man, woman, and child wore their hats at the park. Well, we're talking about men, women, and children. And men, women, and children are all male and female. So you need to take out our pronoun that's talking about more than one because we're talking about random people. And then our pronoun's talking about a group, which is more than one. You need to take that out and you need to replace it with something that can relate to every man, woman, or child that can be a male or a female. And then retype your sentence in the box. Number two, disapproving. All you're doing is you're taking the word and you are breaking it into pieces. So prefix is our beginning part of our word. Our base or root is the middle, the word that's holding everything together. This should always be like an actual word or part of an actual word. And then our suffix is our ending word that is kind of at the end of our sentence that either, makes it a verb or an adjective. They're those few words at the end. All right. Number three, rewrite using a possessive noun. Well, to do this, you need to think about who owns what. I know I say this all the time. The book of the men. Okay, so first start with the who. Well, who's our person in our phrase? Write that down. Then how do we show ownership? Well, S apostrophe or apostrophe S. Add that in there. Then what do they own? What's the object? All right, add those together and you should have your sentence reversed showing ownership. Number four, figure out what type of the type of sentence. You're welcome to swim in our pool, but the water is very cold. Is that a simple sentence? One subject, one predicate. Is it a compound sentence? Two sentences or independent clauses put together using a comma and a coordinating conjunction. A coordinating conjunction is fanboys, for and nor yet or but so. Or is it a complex sentence where you have a dependent clause attached to an independent clause? Therefore, you would have two subjects and two predicates. All right, well, choose your answer and write it in your box, please. And number five, circle the definition that matches the word that is used in the sentence below. Where a sentence is, Spencer supports my difficult illness, shows his true character. So all you need to do is figure out which character those definitions relate to and choose the best one to support our sentence. All right, good luck.